Alright, go ahead. Here goes Ed. Let's see how much speed he can get. He keeps going in the gully. Drake went up that lip. That's funny. Too funny. Look at the snow on the house. Let's see. Oh, sorry, everybody. Oh, it's not too bad on the roof today. The sun melted it. Look at my front step. Big old pile of snow. It's packed solid, too. Cracking. Crack-a-lackin'. Micah, what you doing?
Playing in the snow with my rubber dragon.
Yeah? Micah said he's like an elf. He can walk on top of the snow. Uh-oh. He's going to go sliding down the hill, too. Still coming up the hill. And there's Kenzie. She's watching everybody slide, huh? Hi, sweetie. Yeah. So that's going to be me soon enough, going down the hill, too, huh? Yeah. She went with Daddy yesterday on the hill at the church. Yeah. The hill at the church is all yucky today. So we came home. Kenzie, I love you.